In today's tech video, we are going to unbox this right here. This is the Oculus Quest 2 carrying case. So let's dive into this. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today we're going to unbox and see how this Oculus Quest 2 carrying case performs whenever you're wanting to take your Oculus on the go. And recently I was taking mine to a family's house and I had it in a plastic Walmart bag, and I was like, whoa, I better get something that's going to protect my Oculus a little bit more. So I bought this guy here to see how well it does and how sturdy it is, and see if it will protect my investment. So let's go ahead and unpackage this and take a good look at it. Alright, it's not much of an unboxing video. It come in just that plastic bag right there. It does have the branding on here. Now it does say the Oculus Quest 2 carrying case, but if you have an Oculus Quest 1, I'm pretty sure it fits inside there. There's not much difference in size. It does show you in the picture here that you can put your Oculus Quest in there like that with two controllers and then the power cable right there. But on the outside of this thing, the feel of it is kind of like almost like a wool type of feel. It's not like a plastic. Well, I mean, it is plastic, but the feel of it doesn't feel like plastic. Let's go ahead and it's got, well, on the top here, it's got this handle here to, if you want to grab it like that and carry it that way. It does have the Oculus logo branding right here. Very minimal like, and yeah, it very clean looking. Let's go ahead and pop off the top. Okay, so the top doesn't just pop off. There's a string hanging here, and that's the zipper. And you'll just take and unzip it. That's one of the smallest zippers I've ever seen. Alright, so now that it's unzipped, this is the inside. Okay, so the inside here has the same type of material. It's like a wool feel on the inside. It's just darker. To be honest, I think I would have rather had this color on the outside, because I think this one would get dirty easier, or look more dirty. But this is on the inside. Here they got some branding here. It just shows you how to place your Oculus Quest VR headset in there. Alright, on the inside, there's a little booklet, a safety and warranty guide. To be honest, I don't ever read these things. Okay, on the inside, looks like it does have like a little shelf here. This is where you would put your power cable. And then on the inside, it does have pictures there of how to place your controllers at what angles. So let's go ahead and get our Oculus Quest and place it inside. Okay, now I got it placed inside there. One thing I did notice, as soon as I put it in there, it turned the power on. So as you see, I got the light on here. But yeah, it turned on my power to the headset, which is, it's kind of touchy. So I'm not sure what it got caught on and pushed that button. But this is what it would look like once it's set in there, protecting it. So there's not a whole lot of movement when you're shaking this thing around. It holds it in there pretty tight. So then what we'll do is close it up. Alright, and then shake it. Yeah, so it holds it in there pretty sturdy. There's not a whole lot of wiggle room. I just noticed that this strap here is kind of like a leather feel. That's nice. It's good quality. Okay, so this is what the Oculus Quest 2 carrying case looks like. Hopefully it gives you an idea on if you're looking to get this thing. But if this video was helpful, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.